Ira Epstein here. Don't forget me. I will be back doing videos for you on the 7th of January 2020. That's the game plan. In the meantime, for those of you that get my subscription services, this just gives you an idea of our future subscription service where I put out videos every day, even on vacation. I am putting them out for my traders. We cover all these markets with trade ideas every single day. That is different than the free videos that we put out on YouTube, but I do appreciate you looking at us here via that source. How do you get the subscription videos? Because they're going on as you're missing them. Just go to our website under the word research. It'll take care of it. I'm Ira. Have a great New Year. See everybody Friday, January 7th.